Spyderco developed the UK Penknife in direct response to restrictive laws in England that prohibited the carry of one-hand opening lock blade knives. First released in 2004, it retained the key advantages of our lock blade CLIPIT knives, a convenient pocket clip and our trademark round hole for one-handed opening. However, instead of a blade lock, it featured an improved version of the traditional spring tension slip joint mechanism. The UK Penknife Salt faithfully retains all the proven features of the original design, but expresses them with ultra-corrosion resistant materials. Key among these is its blade, which is precision machined from LC200N. LC200N is a state-of-the-art high-nitrogen alloyed tool steel specifically formulated to offer superior corrosion resistance and extreme toughness, even at high levels of hardness. For fishermen, water sports enthusiasts, or anyone else who has a need for an ultra-corrosion resistant non-locking folder, the UK Penknife Salt is the tool of choice.